Well, I'm gonna try to get some of these fan motors took apart. And I'm working outside, so I'm gonna put some of this mosquito spray, and I guess you can hear them dadgone katydid. I swear them's the noisiest things to be as little as they are. And I'm gonna try to get some of these fan motors took apart. I don't know if I put this in my other video or not, but I'm gonna tell you again, these my zoom in lens ain't working. Anyway, these are like, I don't know what watts these bulbs are, but they're LED bulbs, and it come out of these fans. There was, in all total, there was 12 lights to these things, but these suckers, when they throw these things out, they just pitched them, and it's saying 5 watts. I don't know what that means or not. But at any rate, I was able to sell. These things are $3.10 a piece at the store. But I salvaged 5 of them. And they sure help cut down on the, I hope the hell I'm recording. I am. But anyway, there was 5 of them that I was able to salvage. And I was back down there, and them suckers, they had they just pitched them in there, but I was noticing the other day when I was back down there, they had the empty boxes from the new ones that they had installed on that remodel, and they're putting them little cheap incandescent bulbs in there. Now, why in the world would they go get those bulbs when they had these? All they had to do was take them out. Pure old lazy, I guess. Anyway, let me see. I'm gonna start taking these things apart, saving the wire. Get this down there where you can see me, what I'm doing. Let's see, I'm gonna have to have more. These are sometimes they are pretty easy take apart. And sometimes they're a bitch. Actually, you can't see what the hell I'm doing. Maybe I need to put this thing in the back. I suppose. Son of a bitch. Where did that come from? Damn. Cover my camera. Son of a bitch. Alright, I'm going to have to move this operation into the under the patio. Alright, I had to move all my stuff in there on the back porch or the patio, whatever you want to call it. I may use this for my little tear down thing. I could put a bigger top on this thing where it'd work better for me. And I'm gonna set this one down here. So right now I need to get this one. Where is my screw gun? There it is. I'll get my crap together here in a minute, people. Ugh. Oh, Lord, my back hurts. You know, if there was such a thing as them genies in the magic lamp, that goes in there. Now, I keep reminding people, this is not my livelihood, and how did that one come off of there? And I have plenty of time. Well, depends on which time you're talking about. If you're talking about my life expectancy, I probably don't have much time. Probably don't. I could have another day. I could have 10 years, who knows? Somebody told me the other day, it was a younger person, telling me how old I was. I said, yeah, I know. I'm old. I don't. Now I'm gonna cut him off down here. And he said, do you worry about dying? I said, well, I don't want to die, but I said, it ain't no need of me sitting here worrying about it, because when I die, I said, when I die, I ain't gonna know nothing about it unless I'm hurt or something and I know I'm dying. I said, hopefully when I die, I just croak in an instant and ain't got no time to think about it. And I need to get me a container. But I done got off track again. I was talking about this ain't for somebody that's trying to make a living with it. Because it ain't gonna happen. I mean, unless you're into it big time or something. And I see people all the time. There's some brass. I wonder if that dad's gonna change brass, or is it metal? It's probably metal, but we'll see. We'll see. Right quick. Open drawer. Now. No, that's brass. What about that? I will save that. That'll go in the drawer for right now. Never thought about them chains being brass. But at any rate, I don't worry about dying. I don't want to die. I would like to be here till my baby boy is at least 20. And my middle one is graduated and being a doctor. Then that would make me happy. That would make me happy. Now let me get all these going. Come on, bitch. More wire switches, and I'll scrap that on down when I get time. Now, I've seen some stuff on YouTube that you can take these ceiling fan motors and have to modify it a little bit, but you can make a generator out of them. I wonder if that's going to be a bitch to get off. There it comes. Now, what was I? Oh, I was talking about people talking about. These guys on there, they're making generators out of these things. They open them up and modify them. And I swear, I can't see the point. I mean, say I take this and make the dang-on generator, which don't mean jack nothing. It means I've got a generator that'll put out a few volts of electricity. And let's see, I've done forgot what I need. Let me get my hammer out. And you there it comes. Really, all I'm after in these things is the copper, and the rest, and some wire. I can get some wire out of there. But they make a generator, so they got a little generator sitting there that makes, and the way you do it, somehow or another, you got to put little button magnets in there, and it will generate current as it turns. But once you got that, what in the hell are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it? It's crazy. I wonder if I can knock that out of there. No, that daggone thing's got that. Alright, what I'll have to do, I'll get all this copper out, and then the rest of this will go to the shred. So that's what the idea is there. I'll get them ready to get the copper out. And then the rest, I'm not sure if this, I don't know whether that's a magnet or not. I don't know what it is. It looks like it might be aluminum, for crying out loud. Hell, I believe it is. I believe it is. I never looked at these before. Yeah, that's aluminum. But how would you go about getting that out of there? I needed my bigger screwdriver. There it comes. Well, son of a bitch. Look at that, folks. Aluminum. The whole dang thing is aluminum. Well, give me a break. See that? That's aluminum, that's some kind of cast. Put that over there. It's going to be a keeper. That's going to be scrap. My glasses is going to go back on my face. Now let's see how easy putting the screws in here. Some of that stuff, some of them screw washers, high voltage, bull crap, ain't no high voltage there. It might have been at one time. I do not know what this is. I'm going to put it in my check again later today. Now, that's brass. This chain is brass. And some of these dang magnets, especially them I get out of the microwave. Oh, that's steel. You know, back in the day, the old ceiling fans, they were, this part here was brass. But not anymore. Not anymore. Before I shut this video down, and at first I thought it's got a little bit of weight to it. But I don't know what that is. It ain't a ceiling fan, it's got wires. I'm wondering if that's some kind of a carbon monoxide sensor. I don't know. Alright, this is my little circle cutter. It's potted meat can. It was cheaper. Can of that with potted meat, and it was cheaper than the little tool they wanted to cut them. I press them in there like so. And I save them little circles because I put butter on them and toast them. I ain't throwing nothing away. Now, First thing I do is I get butter on them, like so. And this is definitely something I like so, like so. Then I put them back in the thing. Well, I forgot to do something. I butter these up too. And I toast them. The only thing healthy about this meal is it's tasty. And to some point it's healthy, but at another point it's not all that great. I put a little bit of butter in there like so. I take an egg. Alright. Turn the heat back on. Now, I like to break my yellow. Now, that's enough butter. Now I'm going to let them cook for a little. I'm not sure. I just kind of play it by ear. And again, this is or my sister-in-law called it a bird in the nest. And I love them because I like my eggs, my fried eggs with toast. Actually, I prefer rye bread instead of just plain bread. So I'm going to let that sit there and cook a minute. Oh, I'm going to sit down. That's what I'm going to do. And these rounds, I like them like that, but look at that. See, that's telling me that it's toasted. And looks like it's toasting better over there. Need to get my plate ready too. Bird in the nest. I don't like the big plates, I like these. It's bigger than a saucer, but smaller than a plate. And this thing here, if I don't put this thing up out of my oldest grandson's reach, he will throw that thing out. Now, let me see how. Yeah, it's getting brown now. Do that one there. Well, I'm gonna. You have to be quick, 'cause I don't like it running off the bread. Alright, yeah, see, that's perfect. That is perfect. We'll wait a couple of minutes because that one was. That is perfect. I don't. When it comes to food, Yeah, that one, I'll call that perfect too. It's brown. That's brown now. Let that toast. I mean, it's what I like. I'm not hard to please. My wife made something called country style steak. And it was cube steak. And she browned them. And then put them in a slow cooker. And then off the drippings and stuff, she made brown gravy. And that brown gravy, when it got made, she poured it over the steaks, the country style steaks. And I swear I would just ruin myself when she put that on the table. It just, gosh, that was good. And you know something else she made too was the chicken fried steak with mashed potatoes and white gravy. Lord have mercy. And people wonder why I'm so fat. She fattened me up. I better have a little bit more. That's gonna get to work. If I sit down and in a few minutes like I just did and sit down, and when I'm getting up, I fart. Now I don't feel them coming on. It's like when I'm standing up, something's pushing them suckers out. I fart. I know older people have gas now that they don't normally have. My goodness, I fart. And I'll do it if I'm in a restaurant or I'm sitting with other people. I'll sit on the bench down there at Publix talking to two old cougars that drinking coffee, and I'm drinking coffee, and I gotta go, and I'll start standing up, and here comes the damn farts. And the last time I was with this guy sitting there, he said, "Do you do that every time you stand up?" And I said, "Pretty much." And he's 95, and I said, "You don't?" He said, "No." I told him something wasn't right because old people are supposed to do that. But he said he don't fart when he stands up. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, take this down. I hope the eggs ain't too done, but they might be. I'm gonna get the darn knife. They're soft, but they're not runny. I would prefer them to be runny. Now my sister-in-law, when she made them, they pretty much stayed runny in there. And with me, if I don't cook them enough, I want to keep them runny. But if I do that, then the white in there is runny, and I don't like runny white on the egg at all. Now I'm going to my room, and I'm going to eat these suckers. Matter of fact, I'm going to eat that one right now. Dang, it's good.